Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 latest version on Oracle Linux 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website. It is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then select MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the versions. See here we have the 8.4.6 LTS version. Then select the operating system, Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the versions. See here we have the from 7 to 10. Select the Oracle Linux 10 x86 64-bit. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle, click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 875 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install. Then we will install MySQL Server 8.4.6. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.6 tar file. We have to enter it, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Ctrl S sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.6. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is inactive, so start it. Sudo systemctl Ctrl A start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is running. Q2Git. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account. But we don't have the root account password. But we can get the root account temporary password by going to more/it var log mysql d.log grep password. We have to run this with sudo. See, this is the temporary password for root account. Now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now provide this temporary password. This is not same for you. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password. Change password, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow root login remotely, no. Remove test databases, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u, username is root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected MySQL Server 8.4.6. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, you got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL 8.4.6 installation. Let us create database. Create database. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify list of tables, show tables. See, you don't have any tables, create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted 3 zeros. Now create user. Before creating user, let us verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. MySQL-u. Username is David-p. Then provide the password of this user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.6 LTS version on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 5 seconds ago. Also try to connect to MySQL server. See, MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. If you give D, if you don't give D, it won't work. So we have to give D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. See, MySQL server is restarted on second. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Oracle Linux. Okay. ls these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm. ls, see here we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, press the tab. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.6 on Oracle Linux. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.